Hello, today we will see the operation on fraction practice set 9 standard 6. What is meant by operation? Operation means those basic things are there: addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. These four basic operations are present in the math, so it is called the operation on a fraction. Fraction means what? When any number is written in their numerator and denominator form. Means example is 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 6. This type of number is there. This number is called the fraction. Already we saw this one. We studied this one. Here some fractions are the improper fractions and some are the proper fraction. What is meant by improper fraction? Improper fraction is nothing but those fractions that numerator means 3 upon 2. This is the one example. Here 7 upon 6. This is another example. 3 upon 2. Here 3 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. In the 7 also, 7 upon 6. In this case also 7 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. When denominator is the small, means downward number is smaller and upward number is bigger, that time it is called the improper fraction. This is our first rule. And how to convert the fraction, mixed fraction, is into the improper fraction. Mixed fraction means what? There is in a mixed fraction whole number is also present. Suppose 3, 1 upon 2. 3 integer 1 upon 2. How their reading is there? 3 integer 1 upon 2 or 3 1 upon 2. Second number, suppose we taking here 4 integer 1 upon 4. Here this number is there. This number, those present outside the fraction. See here, here also those number is present. This number is also present at outside of the fraction. Outside of the fraction means here, see, this is the total fraction. This is the total numerator and denominator form is there. And this number, whole number is present outside, this integer present in outside. And when this whole number and plus fraction is present, that time it is called the mixed fraction. And mixed fraction is converted into the improper fraction. How it is converted? First we will see how it is converted and then I will take the practice set 9. Here, those are denominator is there. It is use the rule in this way. Denominator, D means a denominator, multiply by integer. Integer means those whole number is there. Plus here numerator. This number is upward number is there. It is called the numerator upon the their denominator. Means जो भी denominator है वो वैसे ही writing करेंगे. In first example 3 1 upon 2, here which is the denominator? 2 is the denominator, 3 is the integer and then plus 1 is the numerator upon 2. 2 3 जा 6. पहले इसकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन करो. 2 3 जा 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 2. जो भी डिनोमिनेटर है एज इट इज रहेगा. यहाँ पे देखो हियर 2 इज द डिनोमिनेटर, 2 एज इट इज. तो इन दिस वे वी कन्वर्ट द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. देन वी विल सी इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन first example we will take 7 7 integer 2 upon 5. How to convert? Already I told the first take the denominator 5 multiply 7 and then those numerator is there, add here. Here multiply sign is there and here plus sign is there. Upon what is there? Denominator is the 5. Then multiply this one. 5 7 ja 35. 35 plus 2 37. 37 upon 5. Then again we will take the third example. In third example 4 integer 3 upon 4. Again here same rule, use the denominator, take first denominator 4 multiply this integer 4 plus 3 upon 4. जो भी denominator है you can write as it is. 4 4 जा 16 और 16 plus 3 19. 19 upon 4. This is the improper and this improper fraction is converted into the proper fraction. Okay. Sorry, here this is the mixed number and mixed number is converted into the improper fraction. How to write this one? 4 3 upon 4 equal to what is their answer? 19 upon 4. This is the mixed fraction. How to differentiate? When integer is present in outside, that time it is called the mixed fraction, and when numerator is greater than the denominator, that time it is called the improper fraction. Okay, this is the difference. Then we will take the second example. तो जो इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन रहता है उसको फिर से हमें क्या करना है? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, कन्वर्ट इनटू द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल 30 upon 7. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस वन? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है? दो डिनोमिनेटर इज देयर, दिस डिनोमिनेटर से हमें न्यूमरेटर जो है उसको डिवाइड करना है. देखो 30 इज अ न्यूमरेटर एंड 7. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस वन. जो भी डाउन साइड का नंबर है उस नंबर से हमें अप साइड के नंबर को डिवीजन करनी. यू कैन डू इन दिस वे. वन साइड 7 4 जा 28, क्योंकि 7 के टेबल में 30 नहीं आता, 30 से स्मॉलर 28. 7 4 जा 28, यहाँ पे 10, यहाँ पे 2. 10 minus 8, यहाँ पे 2 एंड 2 minus 2 0. तो यहाँ पे व्हाट इज द रूल? ये कैसे राइटिंग करना है? तो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट हियर, जो भी उसका डिनोमिनेटर है एज इट इज़ राइटिंग करो, उसमें कुछ चेंज नहीं करना है. जो भी रिमाइंडर है, रिमाइंडर ऑलवेज राइट ऑन द अप साइड. और ये जो है दिस क्वेश्चन, उसको क्वेश्चन बोलते, इट राइट ऑन द दैट इंटीजर पोजिशन. सी हियर our answer is correct or not. How to we identify? 7 multiply 4 plus 2 upon 7. जो फर्स्ट जो हमने प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में देखा है कि जो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन है, मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को हम क्या करते हैं? इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है, ये आंसर जो मिला है, इट इज़ द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. 4 2 upon 7. तो 7 4 जा 20, 7 4 जा 28, 28 plus 3, 28 plus 2 30, 30 upon 7. देखो दिस आंसर एंड दिस आंसर इज द करेक्ट. मीन्स ये जो हमने सॉल्व किया है, दिस इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर. आपको ये राइटिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन आपको ये आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए, कैलकुलेट करना आना चाहिए. तो this mixed fraction, this is the improper fraction. 30/7 is the mixed fraction, और mixed fraction को हमें क्या करना है, सॉरी improper fraction को हमें क्या करना है, mixed fraction में convert करना है. Again I will take the third one example. Third, 15/12. Again what is our method? जो भी डिनोमीटर है वो डिनोमीटर से हम न्यूमरेटर जो है उससे उसको डिवाइड करेंगे. 12 1 ज़ा 12, 12 2 ज़ा 24. तो 24 बिगर नंबर हो रहा है. फिर हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, 12 1 ज़ा 12 करेंगे. 5 - 2 यहाँ पे 3 हो गए. 1 - 1 0 हो गए. तो मैंने फर्स्ट रूल क्या बताया कि जो भी इसका डिनोमीटर है वही राइटिंग करो यहाँ पे. जो भी रिमाइंडर है वो रिमाइंडर यहाँ पे राइटिंग करो. और जो आंसर आ रहा है, क्वेश्चन आ रहा है, यू कैन राइट हियर. इन दिस वे वी विल सॉल्व दिस वन. देन फोर्थ वन एग्जाम्पल इज द 20/7. We will take the not this the fourth, this is the sixth one example. 20/7. I am not taking all the example, remember student. You will also solve this. When you understand the method, then you can solve this one. You have no problem. See here, again I will take here 20 divided by 7. जो भी डिनोमीटर है उससे हम डिवाइड करते हैं उसको. 7 का टेबल बोलो. 7 1 ज़ा 7, 7 2 ज़ा 14 and 7 3 ज़ा 21. 21 is the bigger than the 20. So we will take here 7 2 ज़ा 14. Then here 10, here 1, 10 minus 4, here is the 6, 1 minus 1 0. Again you write here. What is our rule? फर्स्ट रूल इज द राइट सेम वैल्यू ईयर. यहाँ पे जो है वही वैल्यू राइटिंग करो. देन ये जो रिमाइंडर है अप साइड में राइटिंग करो और यू कैन राइट हियर क्वेश्चन. इन दिस वे यू विल सॉल्व द दिस. ओके, आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. राइट द, सी हियर, राइट द following examples using fraction. If 9 kg rice is shared amongst 5 people, how many kilograms of rice does each people or each person get? Means what is our question? Total number of people is given, total rice is given, and how much rice will get for each people, one people. So when a word problem is there, statement is important. Here write the given things, given, and then write dash. First our thing is the total number of people is given, it is the 5. Total rice shared equal to 9 kg. And what is our question? How many kg rice does each people? Then we know that the total number of people, how many people are there? 5. And how many kg rice is there? 9. So this will be each person, they will be share. This is our fraction. Second example, in a second example, what is our question? To make 5 shirts of the same size, 11 meters of cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? Means 5 shirts they are making, and for 5 shirts they took the 11 meter cloth. Then for one shirt how much cloth will be needed? This is our question. Then again write here given. In given, our first statement is the number of shirts. Number of shirts equal to 5. Second statement, total cloth total cloth for cloth is needed. Total cloth is needed. Means for 5 shirt, how much cloth is needed? 11 meter. And then third question is the how much cloth for one shirt how much cloth is needed. Equal to, what is our fraction here? 11. Total is the 11. And how many shirts are there? 5 shirts are there. So we will write here 11 upon